Good afternoon. My name is Happi Kilongosi, and I work with CPF Financial Services as the manager in charge of trust fund. Today, I was privileged to be one of the facilitators with FINET, and the discussion was about board audit committees and how effective they can be, and what an intentional forward-looking board needs to do to ensure that they have an active board audit committee which actually gives value to the members. Ultimately, we also looked at the governance structures and legal environment within which pension funds operate, and how a board needs to be intentional with their policies, how to ensure that their policies are alive and not just as a tick box mechanism. So one of the innovative ways that pension schemes need to adopt is to ensure that they look at the needs of their members, and as one of the things that they can do for their members is, let's say, initiate trust funds and ensure that their beneficiaries are properly and taken care of in a structured manner, which embraces fairness and accountability, and that reflects well in the management of Board of Trustees. Looking at what governance principles allude, we need to be, in everything that the board does, it needs to be fair, accountable, and transparent, and allocate responsibility accordingly without interfering with the different functions. So for that, separation of roles is key, and that is what would inform how you develop your policies. So it would be good as other pension trustees and other pension schemes in the sector, we keep engaging and exchanging ideas so that together we can form policies and inform our government and our regulator on the best way to handle pension schemes so that we actually give value to members. So keep engaging, and let's use forums that are there so that we can exchange ideas and leverage on each other's strengths and mitigate on our weaknesses. So together we can do more. Let's keep engaging. Thank you.